Yo, what is up, guys? We're back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing Beeswarm, and I've gotten way better when I was off camera. As you can see, I have another baby bee, so I have two now, and I actually noticed I have three diamonds. And as last Beeswarm video, I got the demon bee, and also I have two frosties, and you're like, okay, well, everything froze. I can't even parachute. Okay, there you go. Okay, this one is a gifted one, and then everything keeps on freezing. That one's a no. Where's the gifted one? Yep, there's the gifted one. I saw what it does. It does 20 blue pollen for the whole hive. So yeah, every blue bee is now very strong. I'm gonna go see if I can do another ant challenge. Dang it. Just almost. This is gonna be easier. I'm gonna try to get a new amulet. So yeah. I'm just gonna meet you guys when it's ready. Okay guys, it is done. So let's go ahead and go in. We got the ants. Oh yeah, and there is also a new code. It is called Nick Tack Attack. And yeah. It is kinda OP'd. So yeah. What actually is OP? OP is overpowered if you never knew. It does the 5 rage. So yeah. You get 5 times more damage. So yeah. This and I'm almost dead. Wow. Yep, I'm almost dead. Does that. Okay, we can go to the next one. The flying ants are so annoying. Okay, now we just need to wait till the next one's ready. Come on. Okay, we got to the giant ant already. All I hope is that we get something better than the silver amulet. So yeah. Steve, what are you doing? They're going to the hive to fall asleep. And the music too low. Oh god. No. Okay, good. That thing died. I'm just gonna do it slowly. Okay, my health is kind of fine. I'm just gonna. Yeah. Oh no, the fire ant. Okay, that was easy. The fire ants are so annoying. As you see, I just lost damage from nothing right there. So yeah. Yeah, the fire ant is dead. Just go get that regular ant bees. Okay, now we just need to grind to the next one. Which is almost done, and it is done. Kill the fire ants. Am I on the lawnmower one yet? Nope. We have to grind and grind and grind till we get to the next one. How long have I been in this thing? Oh, okay. Okay. I've been in here for a long time. And we're at the lawnmowers. Kill the regular ants. Because they're only regular. Oh! Oh my god, that was so close for hitting me. Why did I do that? Okay. Please wait. Yes. Next level. Whoa. I'm lagging. Every game I play now, I just lag. Even YouTube. Oh god. Oh, I died. Okay, what's better? I'm keeping my old one. We tried getting a new one, but we did not. Sad. Okay, we got 2 more royal jellies though. Let's switch the red bee. Nope. No. Okay, pineapple on the line bee. On that. And then my demon bee. Didn't level up. Do I still cheat seeds? Oh yeah, seeds. I want the demon bee to level up. I just need 4,000 more. Rip. Okay, I'm still saving up my tickets for the photon bee. I don't know if I should waste them or not. Okay, let's go ahead and grind a while. At the top. So yeah. Everything froze. Wait, okay. It's Nick Tack. Attack. Right there. I already redeemed it. So yeah. It is a very good code. So yeah. You should go ahead and try it. And if you're new, it's gonna be very good for you. So yeah. Go ahead and try it. It's a free code. And fresh. Okay. It's fresh. Only the owner gave it to Nick Tack, but then he made a video and gave it to all of us. So yeah. I should use a field booster right now. Wait, let's go to the tunnel bear. I want to try killing it. If I can. Let me. Okay. Are you serious? Now all my bees are gonna go to sleep. Are you serious, dude? Oh my god. That was, yeah. There go all my bees. To go to bed. Where's my demon bee? Is my demon bee still coming? Yep, the demon bee is one of the slowest with all my bees. Well, that didn't even go well. But I'm gonna end the video here, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, put a like, and send on the comments below. Bye!